Worksheet number 1, the trip of memories. Complete the following words by supplying missing letters. SHARE, share. TOMARROW, tomorrow. CALLED, called. STARTED, started. SHOES, shoes. SOCKS, socks. SWEATER, sweater. TRAVEL, travel. Now we have to fill in the blanks with suitable words or phrases. Hemant shared a few moments of his trip to Horsley Hills. They are going to Horsley Hills tomorrow. I got ready with my pretty travel bag. They all got into the train and were comfortably seated. They hired a car to Horsley Hills from Pakala. Now look at the following table. We have to write at least 4 sentences. One is done for us. I quickly had my bath. I quickly had my dinner. I quickly had my breakfast. I quickly had my lunch. I quickly had my supper. Now worksheet number 2, 3.2. We have to unscramble the letters to make meaningful words. One is done for us. Horsely. Second, exciting, colorful, climate, passing, covered, curves, breeze, flowers, spread. Now we are going to fill in the blanks. The Ghat road has many curves. There are big and tall trees and dense bushes on either side of the road. The cool breeze of Horsley Hills touched our cheeks soft. The climate was very cool and calm. They all had thrilling experience. Now move on to the third worksheet. We have to make some sentences using this table. The climate was very cool and calm. The place was so nice. The scenery was very cool and calm. The clouds were passing over us. The flowers were very beautiful. Beautiful. Now we have to fill the missing letters. Mesmerize. Here we have to write E, S, M, F, E, R, I, S, E. Experience. In the same way, colorful also. We have to fill in the missing letters. Understood? Now, worksheet number 3.3. We have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Visited rocky eastern glories. In these words, the word eastern comes first in the alphabetical order. In the same way, we have to check the first letter of the word. Then we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Eastern, glories, rocky, visited. Here, attraction, crocodile, heard, special. Famous, sunrise, view, western. Bears, dogs, news, sambars. Appear, leopard, panther, tiger. Now we have to write the names of wild animals. One is done for us. Wild animals, bears. Wild dogs, sambars, leopards, tigers, panthers. Now come to another page. We have to write some sentences using this table. My father took us to the nearest historical town. My mother took us to the nearest park. My uncle took us to the nearest fields. My sister took us to the nearest seashore. My brother took us to the nearest river bank. My father took us to the nearest library. Here your teacher will dictate some words. You have to write there. 3.4, worksheet number 3.4. After reading this passage, we have to write the plurals of the singular words. Friend, friends. Place, places. Hill, hills. Parent, parents. Sister, sisters. After reading another passage in the textbook, we have to fill in the blanks. Mrs. Margaret Cousins A British woman composed a tune for our national anthem. Janaganamana was first sung at a courtyard in Madanapalle. They came back home with a lot of memories. The trip gave Hemant everlasting memories. This is Hemant's wonderful trip to Horsley Hills. We have to write some sentences using this table. This is my wonderful trip to Horsley Hills. This is my beautiful car. This is my brother Siva. This is my pet dog Pinky. This is my English textbook. Now we have to add full, FUL full to the words to make meaningful words. Full and wonderful, colorful, joyful, peaceful, powerful, faithful. Worksheet number 3.5. After reading this passage, we have to answer these questions. What was the interesting news they heard? They heard interesting news about wild animals. Name some wild animals mentioned in the passage. Bears, dogs, sambars, leopards, panthers and tigers. Where did his father took Hemant? Hemant's father took him to the nearest historical town named Madanapalle. Why is Madanapalle called a historical town? Because Rabindranath Tagore translated Janaganamana from Bengali to English in Madanapalle. Who is Mrs. Margaret Cousins? Mrs. Margaret Cousins is a British woman. Another page now. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. A fresh, cool breeze welcomed us to the Ooty, where we got down from the car. A mesmerizing scenery welcomed us. The whole area is covered with green trees and colorful flowers. Now match the following: rush, hurry, happy, joyful, early, initially, quick, fast, comfort, ease, bush, shrub. Now add the suffix less or meant to the following words to make meaningful words. Careful, careless, helpless, sleepless, movement, excitement, commitment. Now worksheet number 3.7. Read the sentences, circle the adjectives. There is a long queue at the counter. The little girl is crying for her mother. There are colorful flowers in the garden. Kasim is a karate fighter. Now match the following: sweet, mango, delicious meal, round ball, cool climate, soft skin. Now we have to write some adjectives which are in the word box to make the sentences meaningful. Razu could not lift the heavy box. My mother's advice is helpful. We played the musical chairs game as part of Republic Day celebrations. My uncle brought me 5 new dresses. The coconut tree is tall and it is difficult to climb. Worksheet number 3.8. Rewrite the following sentences using the punctuation marks. For example, full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. How old are you? Here we have to put question mark. How tall he is! Exclamatory mark. I live in Vijayawada. Full stop. What a nice girl she is! Exclamation mark. Which class are you studying in? Question mark. I want to become a doctor. Full stop. Now we have to write the following sentences correctly using punctuation marks. How is the weather in Horsley Hills? Asked Harsha. We have to put question mark here and inverted commas also. It is really wonderful. We all enjoyed a fresh and cool breeze there. we have to put the sentences in inverted commas. Understood? Now, after reading the passage, we have to answer the questions. Which is the unexplored place according to the passage? Dindi is the unexplored place according to this passage. Mention any one remarkable thing about Dindi. Its rustic charm. How is the beauty of Dindi explained? It is full of natural wonders. It is full of natural wonders. Have you ever visited this kind of place? No, I have ever visited this kind of place. Name the two adventurous activities mentioned in the above passage: jet ski ride and rope walking. Now, the last worksheet. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. Name the means of transport used by Hemant's family to reach Horsley Hills. Train and car are the means of transport used by Hemant's family to reach the Horsley Hills. What is the reason for the cool weather of Horsley Hills? Guess. The reason for the cool weather of Horsley Hills is it is at 1265 meters height above the sea level. Why is Horsley Hills called Ooty of Andhra Pradesh? The cool climate of Horsley Hills made it to call the Ooty of Andhra Pradesh. What are the places that the family visited during the trip? Eastern and western viewpoints, mini zoo, Galibanda and Madanapalli. What is the importance of Madanapalli with regard to our national anthem? In Madanapalli, Rabindranath Tagore translated our national anthem from Bengali to English. Mrs. Margaret Cousins, a British woman, composed a tune for national anthem. Janaganamana was first sung at the courtyard in Madanapalli.